Do we need to wait for the yell? Just like my whip in conjunction with each other.
Oh. What the hell's the DECKED system?
Well, that's a great question. The DECKED system, noun, is a family of deck products designed to work exceptionally well on their own, but specifically envisioned to work even better in conjunction with each other, such that one may attain a state called truck bed nirvana.
Nirvana.
Exhibit 1, the full-size drawer system. It's like a gear locker for the back of your truck, so you can easily access everything and move more efficiently throughout your day.
Exhibit 2, the drawer system for mid-size trucks. It's the same thing as the full-size, except it has one big old drawer. It secures and protects all of your valuable tools and gear.
So you can spend your time doing what you want to do, not trying to figure out where to put your stuff, or where your stuff is, or where it was, or where it's gonna be, or where it used to be.
And over here, we have Cargo Glide, a sliding bed tray that transports whatever you need from your bed to you. So you never crawl in your truck bed again.
And you can get them in 600, 1,500, and 2,200 pound payload options, and with either 75 or 100% extension. Now, the really smart folks, they get the drawer system and put the cargo light on top of it. There's the full bed width, 1,500 pound payload option.
Or you can put a half slide on there. This one's called the 600. You can even throw another one right next to it. Have them operating independently, side by side. Finally, we have the DECKED storage cases. This clever system lets you customize your storage and organization.
That's right, modular storage. That way you can take what you don't need out and put what you do need back in. That's what we call NITCO. Neat, tidy, clean, organized. So that's a DECKED system from DECKED.
One big happy family of products designed to work together.
So get DECKED
and get after it.